Welcome home to this beautifully maintained, 3-bedroom plus den home with a very large completely fenced backyard. Backyard has plenty of room for your kids to play, build a pool, or store your recreational vehicles. The fence has a double gate for easy access to the backyard and storage for your boat or RV. New windows were installed in 2007 throughout the home except for the master bath window. The AC and water equipment were installed in 2019. Both bathrooms were remodeled in March 2021. The kitchen appliances are 3 years old. The garage door is less than 1 year old with a new opener. You can secure your home from a hurricane conveniently in only 10 minutes. This home has a convenient electric roll-in shutter on the back porch, and the rest of the windows in the home are equipped with accordion shutters. This home is centrally located close to award-winning beaches, restaurants, and shopping. This is an amazing opportunity for someone looking for a starter or a second home.